The dog goes woof with a wagging beat. The cat goes meow, so dainty and sweet. The bird sings songs from up on high. The hamster squeaks as it scurries by. Oh, the voices of our furry crew. They chatter, they sing, they say howdy-do. From woofs to squeaks to a cheerful coo, our pets bring life to all we do. The fish goes bloop with a bubbly tune. The horse says neigh beneath the moon. The bunny goes thump, a hopping breeze. The parrot squawks, hey, more crackers please. All the voices of our quirky gang, a symphony wild where joy does hang. From